Okay, so people are having problems. I was having problems with Map Editor for damn near a week. I've been having problems with Map Editor for years, honestly. I don't care. I'm not shy to say it. Every time I looked up how to install Map Editor, I always ran into the same issue, but I never knew what the issue was. Every time I pressed F7, nothing showed up. And it's either they kept saying it's outdated, but I got the updated one, la la la, same situation. Press F7, nothing happens. Let me tell y'all what's going on. It is May 13th, 2023. Okay? The issue that I had with, first off, to figure out what the issue is, I'm gonna tell you right now. You see how I got this screen up right here, right? This screen, obviously the dark part. You have to press F4. So you see this key right here? Press F4. Obviously it took it down. Press it again to bring it back up. What that does is when you install Map Editor, it's going to tell you exactly why Map Editor is not loading. I don't know why nobody says this in any of their videos, but I had to find this out the hard way. I was experimenting and I found out exactly why. This is gonna tell you why Map Editor is not loading. It's gonna show a line up there saying failed to initiate yada yada. Look at the end of that line and it should tell you what the file is that's missing, right? So when I looked at the end of the line, it said um, it failed to initiate yada yada folder blah blah blah, and then there was a line right under here, and just right about here it said uh object list any, right? Object list ini, and that's the file. Of course you would know that you need to put in the scripts folder, because the mistake that I was making, and if you're having the same problem, I'd assume that's the same mistake that you were making. A lot of my files were in the main directory. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, or you want me to show it to you, let's do that. And just as proof that this works, let me click F4 again. Just as proof that this works, press F7, Map Editor shows up. This is the first time in my life I've ever gotten Map Editor to work today. Okay, so boom. We're going to put that down. Got big plans. Big plans. Alright, so we're going to get that up out of there. When I tell you it's been so annoying. Okay. You see this? A few of my files, right? This is OpenIV. Y'all already know what this is. OpenIV main directory. You can't open OpenIV if you don't know where this is at. Come on. All right, that's for the people in the back. Now look, you see, you got the installer, blah blah blah, scripts folder. When you press F4, the reason when it says on the second line, like I said, when it shows the file name, that's the file name that's missing from in here. But really, it wants all of these files, right? So when it told me failed to initialize or initiate, and on the second line all the way at the end it said object list any, that's because I didn't have this file in this folder. So when I go back, right, and I'm gonna do this for y'all, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag it out intentionally. I'm gonna drag it here, right? Don't copy, right? Where is it at? Whatever, I'm gonna find it. Wait, no, where is it? Where is it? Because I might not find it. It's right here. Boom. Right? Okay. Boom. Boom. Now that you see I got the object any, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, how it works, right? I'm gonna show you that this works. Object list any, right? Remember that. I'm gonna intentionally delete it. Press X, right? And this is to prove to you that you do need every file in here. Of course, you need to update the native UI, but this is to prove to you that you need every file in here. So click play. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. It's a lot I want to say, but let's just stay focused, man. So always remember to press F4, right? That's that way you could load maps, load Y maps, and don't replace any Y maps. I was about to do that too. I was about to replace the beach with the map that I wanted to make. You see what I'm saying? With the map that I wanted to load. I was about to go ham. I was gonna replace the whole Los Santos for that one map if I had to. And I would have reinstalled the entire game with no problem. I already reinstalled about 4 or 5 times already. So, and you know it takes like a day just to reinstall. So if you ever want to ask how dedicated I am to my project, you'll see when I'm done with it, man. So for all those people that who have the updated version, who installed it, say that you installed it correctly, it's right. It's right now. I'm gonna show you proof that the reason it's not registering is not because you didn't install the right files. It's because in the midst of it, somehow, I think what it is that here's what must have happened. The new map editor that you downloaded, it didn't come with all the files. So when you dragged it from the zip file into the script folder, those other files from the old map editor were still in the main directory. So let me show you how the game reads it, right? How you could tell exactly what the problem is. You press F4, not F and 4. You press F4. Boom. Had to say it. Now look, failed to instantiate script map editor because constructor threw an exception, semicolon system.io.file not found exception, could not find files, C program files. Now it's telling you where it's at. File name, program files, 86, Steam apps, common, Grand Theft Auto 5, scripts, object list, any, right? That's what's missing right there. Because yeah, if y'all remember, I deleted it. That's what's missing. You press F4 to figure out exactly what's missing. Essentially, every time you put a file in, it's gonna say a different file. Just put all the files in there. Just put all the files in the script folder, and then it's not gonna say that no more. You see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. I know for a fact this is gonna solve all y'all problems. If it doesn't, definitely hit me up. But this is taking way too much of my time. Way too much of my time. And Lord knows how much time it's taking of yours. But that's it right there. That's the specific problem right there. Right? So even if you have the old outdated map editor, drag or check your GTA directory. Right? We're gonna go right back to it. Check your main file directory, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open IV, the open 4, and I definitely have to because I gotta put that file back in there. Right? Check. This is your main directory, right? Main directory. This file, this right here, this whole line right here is your main directory, your main page. Scroll down, right? None of your, where is it at? None of your map editor should show up there. None of your map editor should show up there. None of your map editor files should show up there. Show up in here. It shouldn't show up in here. None of them. Everything goes to the script file. Everything goes to the script file. I don't know why they did it like that. I don't know why the new map editor did it like that. And it's kind of messed up that other people figured out how to do it and they never uploaded a video. But I'm gonna be the first one if I have to, cause that's crazy. Cause the amount of time that it takes to just figure this specific problem out, trust me, I don't even know what to say about it, man. The only reason I could think of anybody using Map Editor, especially myself, is for very important projects, very important things. You know, you got people who want to just have fun and stuff like that, but it's a lot of, it's a lot of uses to these programs. I'm a videographer, video editor, and I do animation with this. Of course, I got my storyboard here for my movie, my film. I've been writing notes for the film and all types of stuff. Right, got my storyboard here. Can't really see it in the light. I could draw way better than that. But I got a series coming out. I'm gonna be deleting videos and re-uploading on my channel. Just I just had to say this. I had to say this. Anything else, any other issue that I find, I will record it and upload it. I will let y'all know. I'm telling you. And I will let y'all know in full detail. I'm not going to give you the same runaround to try to get some views and money. No. All right. So, any questions? Let me know if it works. Let me know if it doesn't work. I'm out. It's your man, Two Flows, Sinus and Souls. Until the next episode. Peace out. I got to go. Eat it.